going on, guys? 2017 playoff. One Hail Mary autograph, one Hail Mary mem card per box. Should be some good stuff in here. We'll get started in just a minute. Let's give everybody a chance to join. All right, 10:01, just about on time. Hope everybody's doing well tonight. Can you guys hear me? I just get one confirmation that my audio is working. I don't want to start if you guys can't hear me. Thanks, Nick. All right, teams are up on the screen. We got 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Everybody that's new, welcome to the group. To my regulars, welcome back. Hopefully I can pull some good. Obviously not everyone's going to get a hit out of this, but hopefully we can pull some decent numbered cards and stuff for any teams that don't get hits. But of course, if you're new with me, I can tell you that I try to send out extras for anybody that skunks, bonus packs and whatnot. So I always try to hook everybody up with a little something. Let me get my chair adjusted. Hang on a sec, a little uncomfortable. All right, good luck, everybody. I'll walk through these base cards. Call that anything better than a base card. Carlos Hyde, Boss Hogs insert. Got Thunder and Lightning for the Pats. I can get my camera to adjust, that'd be nice. There we go. It's Brandon Cooks and Tom Brady. There's a Terrell Basham rookie card for the Colts. Got Doug Martin and Demaryius Thomas base. And a Panini Blitz, 18% off. NFL shop. Super overpriced NFL shop. Hey Ryan, what's going on, dude? We got Antonio Brown momentum insert. Got a number 24 out of 25 for the Saints. That is Trey Henderson. 24 out of 25 for the Saints. It's like a bronze, got like a bronze parallel right there. First hit for the Saints, mini hit. Got rookie card Nazir Jones for the Seahawks. Couple base vets there. What's going on, Mike? Good to see you guys again. Now we got a potential hit in here. It's a thick card, so I'm gonna move it to the back. Try to make it fun. Gridiron Force Charles Woodson insert for the Raiders. I'm gonna have to manually set this focus probably. Ezekiel Elliott Stargazing insert for the Cowboys. And that is a Marcus Williams rookie card for the Saints. These are base vets. And then we got AD is the card. Initials. Rookie Stallions. Amara Darboh for the Seahawks. That is a relic. No number? I don't see a number on that. No number relic for the Seahawks. First official hit. That is Seattle Jason B. Jason B with the first relic. Looks like we're going to get the second relic right here. Is it in here? Oh, maybe not. Oh, we're going to have an autograph right here. Matthew Days. I think this is an autograph. Yep, Matthew Days for the Browns. And I do not see a number on that. No number. So that's a base autograph. I don't know who that dude is. Doesn't ring a bell to me. Got a little bit of whiting in the corner down there. Just a hint. It's not terrible. For the Browns, Cleveland is Mark S. with the Browns. First autograph. Gridiron Force, Terrell Suggs insert. Got an Aaron Rodgers Stargazing. Got a rookie card, Jamal Williams for the pack. Couple of vets and a kid reporter. Hey Mike, what do you think about this this article that came out today saying Wentz isn't a team player and he's selfish and all this stuff? I don't buy it. Got Flea Flicker for the Giants. Eli, Odell Beckham, Perkins. Flea Flicker insert. Here's a numbered card to 199. Gridiron Force for the Giants again, back to back. Jeff, right? Jeff's got the Giants, yep. 10 out of 199. Gridiron Force, Strahan. Michael Strahan. It's one of the Giants I actually like as an Eagles fan. Good dude. To 199. Yeah, I don't buy it. I think it's fake news. I think it's just meant to stir up some shit. I don't buy into that stuff. They've already come out in support of him, some of the other players. Corey Davis rookie card for the Titans. Sorry, I'm a little far from the camera. We got Matthews and Robinson base vets. Yeah, the original report said there were what, six players that supposedly spoke off the record. I don't know. I mean, you could just make that up, right? And it's got just as much weight. We got a playoff momentum for the Texans. My camera won't focus. DeAndre Hopkins insert. Dan Hampton for the Bears. This one is out of 299. 295 out of 299 for the Bears. High number. Bit of a high number on that one. Still top loaded. That is not a hit, just a numbered card. Marlon Humphrey, base rookie card for the Ravens. Friggin' camera. Peterson and Mack, vets. Yeah. Gridiron Force for the Chiefs, Justin Houston. Russell Wilson, Stargazing. Rasul Douglas, the base rookie card for the Eagles. Then we got Michael Thomas and Tyrod Taylor, base vets. Flea Flicker for the Skins, Reed Cousins and Kelly. Playoff Momentum Fitz, Larry Fitzgerald, insert. CJ Beathard, base rookie for the Niners. And then we got Howard and Miller. Those are base veterans. Rabel, Packers insert. Rogers, Nelson, Montgomery. We got Boss Hogs Ajayi with the Dolphins. Insert. Christian McCaffrey, base rookie. Crowell and Luck, base vet cards. Need to get shorted. No, it's one of each. That's right. This isn't the hobby. I'm like, where shouldn't there be another auto and another relic? That's in the hobby. This is the mega version. Some base here. Base vets, got Thunder and Lightning, Beckham and Manning for the Giants. Jeremy McNichols for the Bucks. This one's out of 299. 120 out of 299. Marlon Mack, base rookie for the Colts. Gates and Cousins, base vet. Moving on up to the next box. So got anybody that's new and is interested, I got 2015 Signature Series posted up on Facebook here. Still got roughly 13 teams left in that one. If you're interested in some 2015 product with a lot of vet potential. AJ Green insert for the Bengals. Got Kirk Cousins with the Skins. This one's out of 299. 255 out of 299. And if you're interested in a good grading deal, I do have, I'm sending out at the end of this week, I'm sending out cards to Beckett. Pretty good deal on it. Check it out. There's a post up on the page here as well. Most of my regulars can vouch if you're new here and you're not sure you want to ship cards to me. Got a lot of guys on here that are vouch. I will not rip anybody off. It's a great deal. I got a special deal from Beckett. Mike Williams is a base rookie card for the Chargers. And we got Holmes and Berry. Base vets. Focus. Witten. Raiders, playoff momentum. It's Tim Brown. Insert. There's another number here. This one's out of 99. Got gold parallel TJ Watt. That is 65 out of 99 for the Texans. My group voted that 99 or less is considered a hit. Every group does it differently. I won't consider this as a hit when I include bonuses when you ship out, just FYI. Everybody will get extra packs and whatnot. Josh Jones for the Packers base rookie. Got a Romo. Little base Romo action. I think the Cowboys would be better with Romo right now. Well, they made the playoffs. Can't give them too hard of a time. Thunder and Lightning for the Bucks. It's Winston and Evans. Can't get my camera to focus. Ooh, got a relatively low numbered print here. 10 out of 49, Joey Bosa for the Chargers. Not bad. Not bad for a numbered card. Here you go, Chargers. That is Hector. A little mini hit for Hector there. Joe Williams, Niners base rookie. Icky Woods. Brewski. We got Le'Veon Bell, Antonio Brown for the Steelers. That is Thunder and Lightning. Another one for the Bucks, the 299. Derek Brooks, 112 out of 299 for Tampa Bay. Derek Barnett, it's a base rookie for the Eagles. We got Howie Long and whoever the hell that is. Kabir Gabaja Biamalia. Biamila. I give it an attempt. I know it's a lot of my regulars have a lot of fun with me not being able to get these names down, but you can't blame me. Especially some of those Hawaiian guys, man. Gets a little nuts. Ed Reed Gridiron Force for the Ravens. Von Miller stargazing for the Broncos. Cooper Kupp, base rookie. I like that dude. We got Paul Warfield and Warren Moon, base vet cards. And let me accept these requests to the group. Got some latecomers here. Yeah, exactly. Man, I'm gonna pronounce names wrong forever. As long as I break, I'm gonna be pronouncing names wrong. You just gotta keep calling me out on it, man. Don't let me get off easy on it. Feel free to correct me. Gridiron Force, Luke Kuechly insert for the Panthers. I didn't mean to zoom in on his crotch. I'm just trying to get the focus right. LaShawn McCoy stargazing for the Bills. Brendan Langley, it's a base rookie for the Broncos. A couple more vets. Haven't gotten a hit out of this one yet, just some numbers. We got autograph for the Colts, Malik Hooker. I'm looking for a number. I don't see one. It's a little blurry there. Unnumbered. Yeah, it's unnumbered. For Indianapolis. That's Ryan. There you go, Ryan. Ryan B. Flea Flicker for the Finns, Landry, Ajayi, and Tannehill. And we got Gurley, Boss Hogs for the Rams insert. Delano Hill, Seahawks. It's a base rookie. Warner and Marcus Allen, vet base. Gridiron Force, Bruce Smith for the Bills. Stargazing, Le'Veon Bell, Steelers. Nathan Peterman, base rookie for the Bills. And then we got a couple vets in the back. If anybody's wondering, I do ship all cards. That wasn't clear in the description. All cards ship. For the Bucks, Martin Winston and Evans insert. That is fully flicker. Man, this is a new setup that I got, so I'm still trying to get the focus system down a little bit. I think I'm going to have to set it to a manual focal point. LaShawn McCoy, Boss Hogs. Deshaun Hall, base rookie for the Panthers. And there should be a relic in here. Look at that dude right there on the back. All right, let me move the relic to the back. There we go. Playoff momentum, that is Reggie Wayne for the Colts. Or my first time focusing. Damn, this camera's focus is slow. Smith, Hunt, and Hill, flea flicker. James Conner, base rookie for the Steelers. Got Cunningham, beautiful card. Derek Carr base. Alright, let's see what we got back here. SP Rookie Stallions. It's a lovely beard. Samajay P. Ryan relic for the Redskins. It's unnumbered. No number on that one. Redskins unsold. No one got the Redskins. It's one for the house. Got David Johnson for the Cardinals, Boss Hogs. Thunder and Lightning, Ajayi and Landry for the Dolphins. Got a Trubisky, it's a base rookie for the Bears. I'll top load that one. Fat pack here. This is probably going to be, this might be the autograph actually. Move it to the back. Woo! Drop some cards. All right, we got TJ Watt, Gridiron Force, Texans. Big Ben Stargazing. Insert for the Steelers. Rookie card, Adam Shaheen, base rookie for the Bears. And these should all be vet base here. Kid Reporter, Larry Fitz. Got DW. The initials in this one are the D and the W. Davis Webb for the Giants. Player worn material. No number for Jeff. Then Davis Webb at quarterback. Davis Webb or Laletta? Who do you go with if you're a New York guy? Or do you stick with Eli? I know Jeff is a huge Eli fan, though. Got Richard Sherman Gridiron Force for the Seahawks insert. Dak Prescott Stargazing. Jordan Lewis base rookie for the Cowboys. There's like a Cowboys pack right there. It's going to be one of the packs that fights me. Can't get it open. Got Jordan Howard for the Bears, Boss Hog insert, Thunder and Lightning, Marshawn Lynch, and Amari Cooper for the Raiders, Samajay, base rookie for the Skins. Some more vet base. Steelers, Brown, Roethlisberger, and Bell, Flea Flicker. We got Art Joshua Dobbs, numbered card for the Steelers. We got, if I can get it in focus, 46 out of 49. That is a purple parallel mini hit for the Steelers. 46 out of 49 for Pittsburgh, James. David Njoku base rookie card. I know I pronounced that wrong. Whoop. Flea Flicker, Luck Gordon Hilton for the Colts. Von Miller out of 299 for the Broncos. 136 out of 299 for Denver. Not a hit, but a nice numbered card there. Nice high print numbered card. It's a foil parallel. Jamal Adams base rookie for the Jets. Sapp and Ward vet base. Try to keep these in order. Melvin Gordon, Boss Hogs, Chargers, insert. Got Kevin King for the Packers. That's numbered, come on, come on. 229 out of 299 for the pack. 229 out of 299. I think that was what I said. Carlos Henderson, base rookie for the Broncos. Still looking for the autograph from this box. Not in here. Playoff momentum, Doug Baldwin for the Seahawks. Stargazing, Derek Carr. Well, that one's numbered too. So this is Carr, and that is numbered 190 out of 199 for the Raiders. TJ Watt, base rookie for the Steelers. And we got Freeman, Jones, and Ryan, Flea Flicker for Atlanta. Jerry Rice, insert for the Niners, playoff momentum. And that was a rookie card, D'Angelo Yancey, base rookie. I think we might be getting ripped off for an autograph here, unless it's on a skinny card, because there is no fat card in here. Oh, we got points, 250 points. I'll random that off at the end. That will be why it wasn't a fat pack. Eric Berry, Chiefs, Gridiron Force for the Chiefs. Matt Ryan, Stargazing. Eddie Jackson, base rookie card for the Bears. Throwback vets, retired vets. So we lost one autograph to some points. Quiet in here tonight. Quiet room. Everybody's tired. I think everybody in here is tired of seeing the Patriots in the Super Bowl. Except Patriots fans. Flea flicker for the Panthers, Newton, Olsen, and Stewart. Then we got Clay Matthews for the Packers, 195 out of 299. Parallel. James Conner base rookie for the Steelers. Got Mark Ingram Boss Hogs for the Saints insert. Thunder and Lightning Bengals, Dalton and Green. Josh Jones base rookie for the Packers. Strahan and Anderson. Fat pack here. This should be an autograph because it's a thinner fat card. Let me try to move it to the back. Derek Brooks for the Bucks, Gridiron Force. Tom Brady, Stargazing. Pats. Cooper Kupp, base rookie for the Rams again. And we got some throwbacks here. We got a Kid Reporter. We got a green color in the back over here. Let's see what it is. It's upside down. Let's go this way. Uh-oh. I'm thinking it's Mac Hollins. I don't know who else has got MH on the Eagles. Boom! Mac Hollins for the Eagles. Bam! Autograph. Looks like the corner of that sticker is a little bit dirty right there. Right in that top corner. It's got a little dirtiness to it. You might be able to clean it off. I'm not going to play with it, but a little personal collection there for you. 1-of-1 Merino. Hey, dude, there's still one more box back here. Right there. That's where the Merino is, right there. There you go, Mike. Ryan, where's Mike at, dude? Pulled him a card for his PC, and he's not even in here. Got him in Mac Hollins. There he is. There he is. Yeah, you gotta reload if that happens, Jeff. Everybody else sees it just fine. At least I assume they do. He's excited. I hope so. It's our team right there. More Packers and Bears. More Packers and Bears. Working on it. Hines Ward playoff momentum for the Steelers insert. Oh, we got a super low number here. Look at this. For the Redskins, Joe Theismann. Look at the number on this one. 2/10. That's a nice hit for the Redskins right there. Green parallel. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that one. Nobody bought the Redskins. Lowest number thus far for the house. That is a nice card, though. Delano Hill, base rookie for the Seahawks. We got Mean Joe Green and Romo. Throwbacks. Flea flicker for the Saints. That is Peterson, Breeze, Thomas. Now we got Saints again. Adrian Peterson, Boss Hogs. Derek Barnett, Base rookie for the Eagles. Why do they put one of those upside down every time? Those retired relic or retired base cards. Yeah, kick returner. That's right. Never count him out, bro. Reno Mahe. That's where it's at. He was a beastly punt returner because they couldn't get anybody else. Harrison Smith, Gridiron Force for the Vikings. Insert. Another relatively low numbered one here. This one's a bigger name though. We got Aaron Rodgers. That is numbered 15 out of 25. Red foil parallel for Green Bay. Somebody called for the Packers. There you go, David. Ask for some Packers. You get a little something there. A little mini hit. I like that it's numbered to 25. Pretty low numbered print there, if it would focus. And then we got Nathan Peterman base rookie card. Got Bo Jackson and Marcus Allen throwbacks. I'm trying. There aren't too many hits in this because I try to keep the I try to pull people into the group here with smaller eBay breaks, smaller and cheaper breaks. I run the better stuff in the group here, so if you're looking for better stuff, the bigger and better breaks are typically directly in the group here, not on eBay, because eBay rapes sellers, almost literally. Stargazing David Johnson for Arizona. Insert. Flea Flicker for the Packers. Rodgers, Nelson, Montgomery. It's a nice insert there for you. Ryan Switzer, base rookie for the Cowboys. Pulling a lot of Packers now, even though these are base and insert. See, as soon as you call for it is when it comes. Lots and lots of numbers. Yeah, there's quite a few numbers in here. I already got this whole stack right here of numbered cards. We got Jay Ajayi, Boss Hogs for the Dolphins. There's another one. Look at that for the Eagles. We got Randall Cunningham. It's a high print but a low number. 23 out of 299 foil parallel for Super Bowl champion Eagles. It's a pretty card. Pretty card right there. Another one for Mike. O.J. Howard base rookie for the Bucks. And we got Ray Lewis and Ricky Williams. Base throwbacks. We got the autograph out of this, right? Yeah, it was the Eagles. I think we still got a relic coming up for this box, though. And then we're on to the final box. We got Thunder and Lightning, Eli and Odell for the Giants. Insert. Chiefs, Justin Houston, Gridiron Force. Chris Carson, base rookie for the Seahawks. Jim Brown and Jim Horn. Jim Horn. You can keep pulling them. Keep pulling them. Let's see. We got a relic card in here. I'm going to move it to the back. Save it for the back of this. We got Russell Wilson stargazing for the Seahawks. Focus. All right, Russell Wilson there. We got DeAndre Hopkins playoff momentum for the Texans. Base rookie, Ardarius Stewart. And then these are all base. And we got base. Got the best right there, Wentz. All right. DF. We got DF here. Rookie Stallions relic. Donta Foreman for the Texans. That is a green. Piece of fabric there. Relic card for the Texans. Houston is Dustin. Hit for Dustin. It's not numbered, right? I think they number these on the front. No number on that one. Final box. Once again, I am running a group grading with Beckett. I got a good deal on it. It's $12 per card. Additional $2 for an autograph. Additional $8 for a booklet. If you want to get in on that, just send me a message. You will have to have the cards in the mail to me probably by tomorrow because I'm going to ship them out on Friday. If anyone's interested in getting any cards graded cheap. It is a 30 to 40 day guaranteed service, meaning 40 days maximum. They could get them back as quick as 30 days. They do not advertise that deal. It's special for us. So other groups have grading a little bit quicker, but it's about double that price. So if you're interested, let me know. Ezekiel Elliott stargazing for the Cowboys. Got Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs. This one is numbered out of 299. 165 out of 299 for Kansas City. Like I said, I do have that 2015 signature series posted up. It's 32 autographs in that break. A little more than half gone at this point. If you're interested in that. Marlon Mack, base rookie card for the Colts. A couple vet base cards. What are you doing? We got Manning, Beckham Jr., and Perkins. Flea Flicker for the Giants. Flea Flicker. Carlos Hyde for the 49ers. Boss Hogs insert. Rasul Douglas, base rookie for the Eagles. D'Angelo Henderson. That one snuck up on me there. Autograph for the Broncos. D'Angelo Henderson for Denver. I don't see a number. So none of these had numbers on them. I wonder if these mega boxes are even numbered. I wonder if the autographs are numbered in any of them. Well, that's a thin, weird thinness of a card. There you go. Hit for the Broncos. Denver is Devin. Devin with the D'Angelo Henderson. We got Thunder and Lightning for the Pats. It's Tom Brady and Brandon Cooks. Terrell Suggs of the Ravens insert. Marlon Humphrey base rookie for the Ravens. And then a couple of base Giants, Manning and Beckham, Thunder and Lightning. Justin Houston, Gridiron Force for the Chiefs. Taywan Taylor, base rookie for the Titans. Working on that biscuit. Jim Zorn and Bo Jackson, throwbacks. And we got Russell Wilson, stargazing. There we go. $2.99 Corey Davis for the Titans. If I can get it to focus. $151 out of $2.99 for the Titans. Lots and lots and lots of numbered cards in here. It's kind of nice. Trey Hendrickson, base rookie. And that is the Saints. So we got Marino and Falk, throwbacks. Aaron Rodgers, stargazing for the Packers. Another pretty low numbered one here. San Francisco, 1 out of 25. Pierre Garçon. First one of the print. Numbered only to 25. That is looks like it's a bronze parallel. For San Fran, which is J. JP, he's got the Niners. He's got a 1 of 25 there. CJ Beathard, base rookie right behind it. Randy Moss for the Vikings. Derek Brooks, Bucks. Got 4 packs left. Now I'll run the random for the points. Rookie momentum, DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Flea Flicker for the Skins, Reed Cousins and Kelly. Garyon Conley, base rookie for the Raiders. Ray Lewis and Edgerrin James. Got Jay Ajayi, Boss Hogs for the Dolphins. Got Randy Moss for the Vikings. This one is numbered out of 299. That's 206 out of 299 for Minnesota. Fabian Moreau, base rookie for the Skins. Calvin Johnson and Ricky Williams, throwbacks. Is this the fat one? No, that one is. So we got one more relic coming up. So we didn't get any big names in this break, unfortunately. No big names. Antonio Brown, playoff momentum for the Steelers. Flea Flicker, Gates, Gordon, Rivers for the Chargers. Marcus Williams, rookie card base for the Saints. Mike Vick, Fred Taylor throwbacks. Fat pack here. Be the final relic, final hit of the break. Got Larry Fitz, playoff momentum. Arizona Gridiron Force, Charles Woodson for the Raiders. Try to get my focus back here. Christian McCaffrey, base rookie. Kid Reporter. And then for the final relic, come on, focus, focus. It's WGL are the initials. Is that Wayne Gallman? I don't know who WGL is going to be. Yep, Wayne Gallman. Another one for the Giants. Got two Giants hits out of this one. That is that's an interesting patch. It's got like some extra fabric going on there. Little pieces of fabric there, a little extra thrown on. Might even call that a 2-color. Player worn material for the Giants. So nothing huge out of this one, unfortunately. I do have classics, 2017 classics for anybody that's chasing 2017 rookies and vets. I've been holding on to a case of that for a while. I might post that up at some point. But don't go anywhere yet because I still got the points. Got to random off the points. I'll random them between all 32 teams. Thanks, David. So we still got the points to go. Let me run that real quick. We got 250 points. I'm going to random this between all 32 teams right now. Redskins on the bottom. Cardinals on the top. Random.org dice roll. Dice must be 5 or higher. If it's lower, I'll re-roll. Dice roll is a 6. We will roll 6 times. Whoever's on top at the end will win the points. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and for the 6th and final time for the winner, good luck. It is the Falcons. Goes to Atlanta. Atlanta is Ryan. Ryan's got the Falcons and he gets 250 points. Like I said, everybody that skunked in this will get at least a pack of cards, if not more. The more you spend, the more I throw in extra for you to try to offset any skunk that happened. So this was Atlanta. I always try to hook everybody up. Don't leave anybody hanging. Hopefully everybody enjoyed the break. Even though there weren't any monsters in this. Obviously that's not something that's in my control. Love to pull a hit for everybody, but obviously that's outside of my control. 250 goes to Atlanta. So I'll give you guys a quick recap. Thank you again for joining the break. Check out other breaks listed up here in the group currently and in the future if you would like to stick with me. I'll try to make it fun and keep it cheap. All right, numbered cards. We got Randy Moss to 299 for the Vikings. Pierre Garçon for the 49ers out of 25. We got Corey Davis to the Titans to 299. Got Tyreek Hill for the Chiefs to 299. Got good old Randall Cunningham to 299 for the Eagles. Low numbered here. Aaron Rodgers for the Packers to 25. Got Joe Theismann. Joe Theismann for the Skins. That is 2 out of 10. Nice super low number there. Clay Matthews for the Packers to 299. 199. Derek Carr. That is 190 out of 199. Lots and lots of numbered Packers cards. Out of 299, we got Kevin King for the Pack. We got Von Miller for Denver out of 299. We got R. Joshua Dobbs for the Steelers out of 49, I believe. Yep, that's out of 49. We got out of 299 for the Bucks. We got Derek Brooks. Joey Bosa. This one's out of 49 for the Chargers. Gridiron Force, a parallel insert. J.J. Watt for the Texans out of 99. Points equals to Jay Cutler. Yeah, exactly. Out of 299, Kirk Cousins for the Redskins. I won't focus, but I swear it's Kirk Cousins. Jeremy McNichols for the Niners. Even though it shows the Bucks on there, it is the Niners. I think I might have called Bucks earlier, but it goes to that team right there out of 299. San Francisco. Dan Hampton for the Bears out of 299. Another insert parallel. This one's for the G-Men. This one's out of 199. Michael Strahan. And then another low numbered one for the Saints. We got Trey Hendrickson out of 25. That is a lot of numbered cards. That's just the numbered cards. Then we got some relics here. For the Giants, we got Wayne Gallman. Single, that's like 1.5 color relic. Well, my camera just refuses to focus, doesn't it? It's like 1.5 colors there. It's got a little piece of fabric on it. So that one is for the Giants. Then we got Davis Webb also for the Giants. So we got 2 relics for Jeff. And then for the Texans, Deonta Foreman or Donta Foreman relic, single color. Sama J.P. Ryan for the Redskins. And Amara Darboh for the Seahawks. Those are the relics from the break. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 per box. And then the autographs. We, of course, had the points that went to Atlanta via the random. For the Broncos, D'Angelo Henderson. Autograph there, sticker autograph. Hail Mary. Mac Hollins for the Eagles. Sticker autograph, Hail Mary. Of course, they're all Hail Mary because they're Hail Mary autographs. Malik Hooker for the Colts. Hail Mary autograph. And the final one is for the Browns. It was Matthew Days. Sticker auto for the Brownies. Then we got a pile of rookie cards. Got a pile of inserts. And then we got all these base cards that I will sort. Try to get them out tomorrow. Might take me a little extra time. They will be out to you guys within a day or two, though. Won't take long. Alright, so like I said, everybody that got skunked, I will hook you up with a little something. I've got packs of cards laying all over the place from various years. Try to hook you up with something to make up for getting skunked. Like I said, the more that you've spent, the more I'll try to throw in for you to make up for it. Check out the site. Got a break posted, like I said, the 2015 Signature Series, and have the group grading effort posted as well. So if you guys are interested, it's all up on the site. David, thank you. Ryan, Mike, everybody that joined, thanks. I appreciate you all very much. Hope to see you in a future break. And I'm going to start sorting. So I am out. You guys have a wonderful night, and see you on the flip side. Have a good one. Clips Breaks out.